These people move fast. Oh, it's him. Hey, buddy.
Hello, old chap.
Hello.
Thank you for getting me out of that spot of bother the other day.
I love its voice. Now there, Jeff. Spot of bother. That's something we need. We need to bring back the term spot of bother. I think it's very underrated. Hello. Okay. Now what are you? Oh, there's nothing about you. Okay, cool. Where's the bank again? I know damn well the bank is right outside the place I now own. Pawn shop. Bank. So it's this place I own, is it? No. The real estate? No. I know I own something, don't I?
Governor to run for another term.
Don't I own a place now? Enter the tail. Oh, can I get costumes? Can I get different costumes? Oh, this is going to be interesting. Unless it's like a bunch of like stuff I can't use.
Howdy, stranger.
Well, howdy.
What can I do you for?
Howdy. Silver crucifix. There's some things that only a crucifix can save you from, according to Jebediah Cole. I mean, in this time and age, you can never be too. Okay, a woman who kept this wedding bouquet has stood up, but at least her fiancé had the good excuse. He was murdered. Oh no! Oh no! Well, I mean, I could put it to good use, I'm sure. Unlock showdown level. Showdown character. Oh, come on. What? You can't have a tailor and not give us alternative costumes. Even something as silly as like him in swim shorts or something. Come on. For those hot button red bandana, journal page, showdown character, journal page. Oh, really? No alternative costumes? That's a real damn shame. Oh well. Never mind, son. There's got to be a counter at the end of all this for every time I do my terrible accent and every time I say Sean. Enter the bank.
Bad Bessie beaten by a brave bounty hunter.
Oh, that's just that. Barber shop. Let's go to the barbers. I don't think... Oh, closing. Oh, yeah, indefinitely. I forgot about that. Let's go into the general goods store. See what he's got. Trinkets, odds and ends, that sort of thing.
Good to see you again, stranger. What will it be this time?
There's something about the southern accent that's just so lovely to listen to. Soup ladle. Unlocks a journal page, handy for spooning out your grubs. Chow time, spooning. Journal page, unlock showdown character. I've got a sneeze coming. Sorry about that. Oh, right. So, yeah, we're done here. Well, I'm now seeing stars. That's not good. I'll be fine. Let's have a look around. I'll try not to spend too much time here. Let's have a look in the saloon, see what's new around here. There's got to be something I can get around here that's different. I was about to say, didn't you say you're waiting for someone?
I've been hearing about you all over town. Talk is that you were the man who beat Bessie.
Okay.
Bessie used to work here until she made off with the takings and left Hans over there so scared of whip cracks that he passes out each time the stage rides through town.
So she did everyone dirty then. That's why she was wanted. She did everyone dirty by stealing all the tips and fucked off. Lord only knows how she able to afford a bunch of guys with guns, but never mind, eh? Gun shop. Oh, I forgot about this place. I wonder if there's anything new I can buy. I wonder if there's anything new I can purchase from around these parts.
Now that Rogue Valley ain't so full of...
Okay, cool. Revolver. What? Pot belly stove. Oh, showdown character. Upgrade a weapon. Old pistol. I mean, upgrade sold. Oh, okay. Upgraded. Oh. Oh, sawn-off shotgun. Okay, okay. I've got some decent stuff around here. Nice, lovely jubbly. I take it I'd never have to buy ammo then. Hang on, let's have a look. Do I have to buy ammo? No. No, I'll leave the stove alone. Right, let's continue with the story, shall we?
I reckon that old Bessie was a real handful. Take care of this last one, and I'll make it worth your while. Mr. Black, he's a strange one. Truth be told, I ain't even sure if he's alive. But he's hurt a lot of good folks in this town, and he needs taken care of.
Oh? Is that so? Well, consider him taken care of. Oh! I think I'll go with the trusty revolvers again, and I think I shall go for... Oh, see the reload time is short. Long range, short range, that's the only problem. I'm gonna guess I get like... Excuse me, were there any like I mean, these are technically as close to grenades as you're gonna get, though they were used for more mining operations, but I can't imagine any other thrown object. Maybe a cleaver? Not cleaver, a tomahawk maybe. I'm sure they existed back then. Sawn-off shotgun. I'm tempted to use this bad boy, but... See, that's got more ammo as well, got longer range. It's just a reload time. Very slow. Fast. It is upgraded. 206 rounds. Yeah, use old pistol, why not? Gotta be careful with what you equip with. You gotta be careful around these parts. Oh, okay. Oh, blimey, you're a scary sort. Wouldn't want to meet you in the dark. Okay. Oh! No mind if I do, Sean. No mind if I do. So what have I picked up? I've picked up nothing about ammunition. Okay, cool. Wow, wow, friendly fire is a thing on this game. Cool. What would be really cool if they did like a Red Dead game where you could play together with a few friends online and just fuck about with each other. Right, hang on. Wait, can I go into this building and up the stairs? No, there's no stairs in here. Okay.
I'm over here.
Sorry, did he just call me chicken ass? Got him. Oh my goodness, will you die already? There we go. God, you take a lot to go down, don't you, big boy? Goodness me. If only that was the incentive to get fat, it just means you're more bullet resistant. Goodness me. If that was the case, England would be unstoppable now. Oh, there is just... Can I climb? I can! Yes! Oh, this is cool! I get to actually utilize the area around me. That's cool. I can't really see him. Oh, now I can. Oh, I can jump across. Oh, that is cool. See, some games won't even let you do that. Like, jump around your surroundings. Oh, I forgot full damage was a thing. Let's pick up this ammunition. I need to find some ammunition. Oh, I got a 6-shooter. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. That's what I was going to say. That's one down, but he's still going.
Coward, come here. Brave.
Shit, I'm about to die. Oh, bloody hell. Okay, this is getting a bit tougher now. A bit tougher. A little bit tougher. Goodness me. Okay. Can I skip this? Okay, yeah, I can. Cool. Right, so. Oh, I can't go around. Damn.
I'm gonna kill you. Don't run away.
Not if I take out your kneecap, son.
Die, boy, die! Quick, find cover!
Ow!
Okay, I'm doing a lot better than last time. We're gonna go through this town, each section at a time.
I'm over here.
Chicken eggs. I'm over here.
Oh, chicken legs, that's what he's calling me, is it? Wait, he's still alive? How is he still alive? Got some health, that's some lovely jubbly stuff. Okay, there's some cool beans. I'm gonna do what I did last time and jump up here. I'm loving this music, man. I hope I don't get copyright claim for it, 'cause there's some lovely, lovely music. I jump across. Oh, bugger. Suppose the idea is I'm meant to shoot from the windows rather than walking down the alley one little bit at a time. I'm supposed to actually take cover, use my initiative a little bit. Okay, there we go. Well, sure. I'm sorry, my friend. I do not speak Espanol. Really?
Breathe.
There we go. Fucking hell.
Coward, come here.
Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness, come on.
Find cover.
Oh shit.
What is?
Just die already, goodness me. Right. We're getting there. We're doing a lot better than what we did last time.
I'm bleeding. Can you see me?
Oh my goodness. So I'm really focusing on this fight because I don't want to keep dying on this one bit over and over again like I did on the train. Right, okay. And... oh, come off it. How many bullets does it take for one guy to die? Goodness me. Where's all the... get ready for a dueling showdown. What? Oh. Oh. The Joker?
Your judgment day has come.
Oh. Okay. Who am I up against? Wait, I'm up against all three of them? I should have dual wheels for this. Okay, something tells me I'm going to die multiple times on this part, but that's fine. That's perfectly fine. Okay. Shit. Oh, shit. Bugger. Okay. Aim for Jesse first. Primarily Jesse. Just get him out of the fucking way. I've got to do all this again? Oh my god. What a ball ache. I might just stop recording for a minute and just focus on this one bit. Just get it over and done with, because goodness me. That is a ball ache and then some. Okay, so walking to the end of the level doesn't activate the duel. I've just got to... Okay, there we go. I've just got to kill everyone first, then the showdown takes place. Okay, cool. Oh, he's got a noose around his neck. I didn't even notice that.
Let's go.
My father was a drunk. You wanna know how I got this noose? He's literally wearing the Joker drip from the animated series. It could have been from the comics first, it probably was. I've not read enough comics to know. Oh god, right, okay. Oh shit. Fucking hell! Careful, careful, careful. Where's the Joker? Oh, he's right there. Oh, die, Jesse, die, Jesse, die, Jesse, die, Jesse, die, Jesse, die, Jesse. Oh. Come on, die, 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 die. Die, 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 die. Die, 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 die. Good. Okay. I did not want to have to go through that entire thing again. Thank Christ for that. Who's that? Is that me running? Is that me running up the hill? We're running up the hill. Oh, it is me. Oh, okay. I'm heading towards what looks like a scary mansion. 75 others. I thought I upgraded this. That's upgraded. How many of those? I got 4 left. Right, I got an owl rifle. That's upgraded. Damage is decent. Accuracy is decent. I might just take that with me. I don't know. Oh, that's why the damage is low. I never. You know what? I never even. Excuse me. Never even noticed that before. Oh wow, that's pretty damn good. Nah. If the damage is good, I'm taking it inside. Am I just going back to town, or am I starting a whole nother level? I'm starting a whole nother level. Okay, cool. Nice. That is some nice rice. It's a graveyard. We're desecrating this place with our inhabitants. May God have mercy on our souls. Oh! Okay. The clergyman? Who are we mucking about with? His name's going to be like the carpenter, the clergyman, or something. That's got to be his name, right? Oh, that's Mr. Black. Oh, right. We were fighting Jesse before, weren't we? Yo, he's hammering that pistol! Jesus Christ! That's the same guy who did the voice for Perry. He's gone flying!
There's always room.
Oh, fuck me! No! Okay, I've got to be careful because he hammers. He hammers his pistol. I've got to be extra careful here. Okay, okay, how do I go behind cover again? Not like that. Is it L2, R2? How do I take cover? Oh, he doesn't hammer it. That's a fucking Gatling gun. Jesus, okay. My best bet is probably just going straight for the dynamite.
Estoy aquí. Can't you see? There's only one way out of this.
I forgot to take cover.
I'm afraid you'll have to die.
Oh shit, I ran out of ammunition. Oh, bugger me. I should have just used the owl rifle. That does a lot of damage. Come on, we're nearly there. Oh shit. Duck! Oh my god! Duck! Oh my god! Oh my god, where did it that? Come on! Oh, okay. First things first. Done. Oh. Wait, can I use this tree?
No, this is all so unnecessary.
Oh, really? He got me through the tree? Okay. I think I've got the strat. Okay. Okay, this time I got him without the thing. Get behind here, get behind here.
I hope you feel right at home.
Get the health, get the health. Oh god! Okay, we nearly got him. I'm missing every shot. Oh god. Come on, die. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no! Ah! Oh no! I may have to give up for now and try another day because this is getting on for too long. Oh my word. Okay, tune in next time. I need to cool down because this is actually getting on my nerves. Wow. Whew! I need like 10 minutes before I can try this again. So I will see you in the next episode, I think. Oh gosh. Right. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Like, comment and subscribe and have a lovely day.